After experience the beautiful of Pumbarai village, then I head to the next. Those who have not seen the Pumbarai video, watch it, the link in video description, or click in above. Now the journey to Mannavannur. Again, a slow walk through the dark roads shaded by pine trees. Mannavannur is the next village when going through this road. If you take a turn on the way to Mannavannur, you will reach a village called Kookal. You can see the board here. You will reach Mannavannur after going straight for 6 kilometers. If you take a right turn for 5 kilometers, then you will reach Kookal Lake. Kookal is another agriculture village in Kodaikanal, Kookal Lake, and there has one waterfall which is located in private property is the main attractions there. It's an awesome forest road towards Kookal village, the pine trees and eucalyptus trees like a wall on both sides, creating a feeling of going through a dense forest. I like this road vibe. After about 5 kilometers, I saw a lake on the side of the road. By the time I reached there, a guy came and said, "Sir, I will show you the waterfall." It was a private waterfall and I didn't know the exact route. So, I went with him. He told his charge 300 rupees, then he reduced to 200, and also 60 rupees extra you have to pay to property owner for entering to his property. We reached the place after half-kilometer drive from the lake. Parked on the side and walked through the field he showed. After walking for 5 minutes through some banana plantations, the waterfalls can be seen in the distance. But the guide didn't need here. He told us that it was a long way away, but if you come a little way opposite of the lake road, you can see this spot. It's about half-kilometer. You can see the cars parked on the side of the road. If you have doubts, just ask someone who comes there. Then you have to give money to go with this field, and its owner will be standing by the side of the field to buy it. It is nice to see the waterfall. There are not much people, because it is in private property. Some people are bathing here. I spent some time there, took photos, then came to the lakeside. If go little further to reach the Kookal village. It's only a village. If you want to see the village you can go and explore. The main here it is, lake and then the waterfall. So, I skipped village visit and after that reached Mannavannur by the time it was 4 p.m. I decided to visit the sheep farm first, because that will close by 5 p.m. There is an entry fee of 20 rupees to enter inside. There are several film shooting spots here in Mannavannur village. This sheep farm is one such shooting spot. Horse ride, farm visit, lake viewpoints, food shops. There are so many things to attract tourists here. That's why is it little crowded here. This sheep farm is one of the popular tourist attractions here. The views are just awesome all over here. Feel like we have reached some European country. Because this awesome scenic nature beauty film shooting are happening here. You can watch Mannavannur lake view from here. The lake has very little water, almost dried up, else would have been better view here. Next to the sheep farm, there is ecotourism counter there. You can reach till the lake shore from there. But water in the lake has dried up. There is no point in going there, so I spent time here until the farm closed. Next my plan to visit Poondi village, but already 5:30 past, soon light will go, so not possible today. Today night I have to stay here. It is not easy to get a room here during the season time, it is all booked in advance. When I searched, no room has available. There are Malayali hotels right in front of the sheep farm. I went to one of them and had food, ghee rice and chicken. And then the person in that hotel made the arrangements for it. Stay got little far away. The place name is Clavara. After Poondi have to go little further to reach there. On the way to there, you can see a small bald hill on the right side, on which the car will climb. From here we can see entire landscape of this village, including the sheep farm, ecotourism spot, lake and all. But by the time we reached there, fog covered the landscape, nothing was visible. Next day morning, I got up early and moved to explore the Poondi village. On the way there I saw a beautiful waterfall and stopped the car there. I have captured some beautiful aerial views from there, and now we entering to Poondi village. You can see farming plots everywhere and which enriches the beauty of villages. Everybody here living from farming. I am going to visit the Poondi Dam first. On the way you can see vehicle parked area. From here we have to take right to go to Poondi Dam. But the way is so difficult for the car, it's an off-roading adventure. So parked car here and decided to walk. It's not much to go, hardly 1 kilometer to walk. While walking towards the dam I got some company. They are going to cut firewood for the home purpose. The dam side is forest, they are going cut firewood from there. After walking a short distance, I saw the view of the lake and the dam. So friends, how is the Poondi? I recommend Poondi to everyone out there who loves nature and want to spend some time away from their busy rush life. This will definitely be a unique experience for you. Hope you all like the videos. Kindly share your feedback. Also, any more details please ask in comment box. Okay friends, the Offbeat Kodaikanal exploration video ends here. I will come back with another beautiful destination soon. If you have not subscribed yet, please do and press the bell icon so you never miss our videos. Once again, thank you all for your support. See you in the next video.